Welcome to the channel Food Kida. In this video, we are going to discuss about tomato processing. Tomato is a valuable raw material and used to make products like ketchup, sauce, canned fruit, puree and paste, etc. So these products are consumed by people of all age group and demand is going up. Today in the developed countries, there is 80% of the fresh tomatoes are processed into the various products. But the growth of tomato processing industry is slow in India. Let's see different tomato products. We have tomato juice, soup, puree, paste and ketchup. So this is the TSS, that is total soluble solids. So minimum total soluble solid should be 5 in tomato juice, 7 in soup, 9 in puree and 25 in paste and ketchup. So this TSS is measured by this refractometer. As you can see that as the TSS increases, viscosity increases. Now let's discuss various products of tomato. So first product is the tomato juice. From tomato juice we can make other tomato products. First step is the washing of tomatoes. After that pulping is done, straining and then check TSS should be minimum 5. Heat at 80 to 82 degrees C and then corking of bottles, then pasteurization. Now you can see that first washing and sorting is done by trained laborers, and then after that it is boiled, tomatoes are boiled, and then it is again sorting by the trained laborers. Then crushing of tomatoes are done, then we obtain pulp. Now after straining, put it into the containers. So important points are like tomato juice or pulp can be extracted by hot or cold pulping. But hot pulping is superior to the cold pulping because in the later case, extraction of juice is somewhat difficult and its yield is less. So hot pulping is used. Vitamin C is oxidized more rapidly and sugar is lighter in color, and there is a chance of microbial spoilage in the cold pulping. So hot pulping is preferred. Now let's discuss the processing of tomato soup. So process is as same as of tomato juice, but spices are added into it. Spices are added in the spice bags. Spices are added into the spice bag and then that spice bag is put it into the juice. Once the TSS reaches to 9, then soup is prepared. Now next product is tomato puree and paste. So tomato pulp without skin or seeds are used. We have two type of purees, medium tomato puree and heavy tomato puree. In the medium tomato puree, that containing not less than 9% salt-free tomato solids, and in heavy that concentrated further, which contain not less than 12% solids. So we have another product, that is tomato paste, that is formed by concentrating further so that it contain not less than 25% tomato solids, and it is called tomato paste. Now next product is tomato sauce and ketchup. So it is made from strained tomato juice or pulp, and spice, salt, sugar, vinegar are added. Onion or garlic can be added or not, and it contains 25% total solids. Now this is the processing flow sheet of tomato sauce. So we have tomato which is fully ripe and red. Then washing is done, sorting and trimming is done, cutting and chopping. Then heat at 70 to 90 degrees C for 3 to 5 minutes to soften the tomatoes. Now pulping or extraction of juice is done. After that straining the tomato pulp, then cook the pulp with 1/3 quantity of sugar. Now why 1/3 of sugar is added at boiling and not all sugar is added? Because at the time of boiling, when 1/3 of sugar is added, it intensify and fix the tomato red color. If whole quantity of sugar is added initially, the cooking time will be longer and the quality of pulp will be affected. Then put spice bag in the pulp and pressing occasionally. Then cook it to 1/3 of the original volume and then remove the spice bag. Addition of remaining salt and sugar, then cooking is done. Judging of end point with the help of refractometer, then addition of vinegar, acetic acid and preservative, then filling hot into bottles at about 88 degrees C, crown corking and then pasteurize it, then cool and store at ambient temperature. Salt is also added at the last step because salt bleaches the color of the tomato product, so it is desirable to add after the cooking process. Hope you people understand the processing of tomato products. If you have any query, comment below. Thanks for watching.